squeaky clean, so he buy me nice things. I fiend, bigger bling, only register ka-ching. Too high, too fly, when they look up at the sky.
I am back again. I have a few new palettes to try out. This is gonna be a review. I have the new Huda Beauty Neon palettes. I think these retail for $37 Canadian, but I do have all three. There's the orange neon, the green neon, and then the pink neon. Orange one is probably the one that most people will wear, I think anyways, because it has like pinks and everything. I'll show you what they all look like just so you guys can see all the swatches and everything. I just need to open them all up, take them out of the package. Honestly, should have done that beforehand because I always forget. Okay. The packaging is obviously like very good. Like, this is probably the cutest packaging I've ever seen. So this one is the orange one. I'll swatch them after I show them all. If I can open this one, it is the pink one. Oh, this one's my favorite probably, honestly. Then we have the last one, which is green. I don't think that these have shade names. Okay, so we'll go into this like orangey, and on camera it looks kind of yellow. It's like a mustard color. We'll go into that. I'll just swatch them all and then you guys can see them. Ooh, that's really pretty. Okay, first impressions. This is a very nice palette. My hands are stained though. So this is the very first one and that's the very last one. And that's the orange palette. Next we are going to go in with the green one. These ones I don't think are very neon. I know a lot of people, well not a lot of people, Tati made a video and said that this one was probably going to be her favorite. But these ones aren't really neon to me. They're more like, I don't know, muted. I just don't find that they're very pigmented like the other two palettes. Or yeah, not pigmented, but like not as vibrant out there shades. If this white shade works, that's gonna be amazing. Oh, that's so pretty. I've had these for a week, okay? And I have been wanting to use these like for work and stuff. I know that sounds crazy. Why would I use a neon palette for work? But like, I've been holding off just to make a video on it. That white shade, I will show you which one. It is so pretty. Okay. I need to stop yelling. I think there's people home. This one's really pretty too. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. What? Oh, look at that pink one at the end. That white one in the middle. Oh my god. That one is really nice too. Look at the yellow one. Oh my god. Okay. I think we might have a favorite. Maybe I'll just do a whole look with the green palette. Zoom out. Oh my god, dry faster. Now my arm is like all sparkly. Last but not least, I think it's purple. This one's I don't know if it's purple or pink obsessions. Why does my voice sound like this? Okay. First impressions, this is an amazing palette. I mean, these are amazing palettes. I don't know if you guys are ready for this. Who is she? Look it. Okay, I don't know if you can see it that well on camera. This one is so pretty. So is this one. Oh, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Ignore my like. Okay, it's not dirty actually. It just looks dirty on camera. I'll cover it so you don't see it. Okay. I'm gonna wash this off and get started. These are amazing. And you know what? They came off really easily. I just used that Garnier micellar water. It's a little bit tinted pink, but like, not that bad. My eyes stain more than this. I'll save this one for another video, just because I think it's the one that most people might want. Actually, you know what would be so cool? If I just did a pure neon green look, because This shade I find is more yellow than this one that's in this palette. This shade is more lime green down here. Like you can see on camera. This looks more lime green, so I might use that. Do like pure green and pure pink. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay. Sorry, that's so gross, but my lips are so chapped and I don't know. I have a picking problem. Okay, that is so pretty, okay. I'm gonna move on to the I'm gonna move on to the next eye. I can't speak English, I don't know why. Oh, I look kind of... I'm sorry, I'm so like awkward and weird. Yeah, I think I'll just put on some lashes and then put on some highlight because I forgot to do that and give my final thoughts. Okay. Final thoughts. Okay, I think that this one, like there's only a few shades in this one that I honestly think are that good. I didn't use them all, obviously. This one isn't as pigmented as I was hoping it would be. More pigmented on my finger than it came off. The green is super, super, super pretty. Super vibrant. I think the green is actually like really good. This shade, I think, you know, I think that it is good. Like the formula is very buttery, but I think that like this one needs some assistance. Not all of the shimmer shades are the exact same. Like some of them have like different formula, it feels like. They all look the same, but like in the orange palette, that shade came off so easy, so beautifully. Meanwhile, the white shade didn't come off that good. And I'm not just gonna say that because, oh, I was wearing concealer when I put on the green shade in this one, because whenever I used the pink shade in this one on the concealer, I mean, yeah, over on this side, it didn't work as good as the green did. So, like, some of the shades don't come off as well as the others, but like, I'm sure if you like work with it, you can find a way around it. But other than that, like they do, the matte shades all super easy to blend, super pretty. Like as you can see, very blendable, very pretty. I think that you'd be better off, oh my god, I didn't even add lipstick. I think that you'd be better off just buying like the pink one, maybe the orange one. If you don't mind super dull shimmer shades, then I don't think it matters. Also, maybe if you wet a brush, I don't like wetting brushes. It always just turns out clumpy for me, and I think that that's what Tati had a problem with these. I think that's the problem Tati had with these, was they came off clumpy. So if you do want to use like a super good shimmer, maybe get one of these brushes. They're just like a silicone brush. I didn't use that, obviously, but maybe that would work out better. Sorry, I'm just gonna put on some lipstick so I don't look so crazy. There's a reason I don't wear lipstick. My lips are like super uneven. But anyways, as I was saying, I think that they're very good for the price, especially since you get 9 shades. Like that's $37 really good. Especially when, if you don't want to splurge and spend the money on her other palettes, which are like $85. I think that her other ones though, like her other small square ones, are like $28 or something like that. Like they're definitely way cheaper than these. Anyways, I would say pink one for sure, super good. I think all the shades in this one are good. Well, the ones that I used. Purples would probably definitely be very pretty. The green one, I don't know if I would spend the money on this one. Like lately there's been a lot of green palettes that you can get that might be better than this one. I just think that the shimmers that I used anyways weren't as good as I was hoping. But if you want it just for that lime green, if you have the money to splurge on it, then that lime green is honestly one of the best shades I've ever used. And for this one, if you don't mind like a little bit of dull payoff from these, Actually, this one I don't really know if that was that bad, but this one's really good. But this one's mostly matte. There's only 3 shimmer shades compared to like the green one that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shimmer shades. And then I think the pink one has like, 4. So if you don't like shimmer shades as much, I'd say get the orange one. If you want like super vibrant, like super pigmented, get the pink one. Like this one's really good. I was right. Pink one was gonna be my favorite, and it is. This is my favorite one. I'll zoom in on the eyes so you guys can see. Oh, my lashes aren't super frigged up like they normally are. Yeah, like if you see this isn't as like pigmented as I want it to be. Anyways. So, honestly, the only one that's worth it for me is this one. If you want a good pink palette, you don't mind a little bit of color, this is your girl. This is the one. Anyways, I think that's all for today. Is it worth it? The pink one, yes. I definitely get that one if you want to like add to your collection or whatever. And also the packaging, like, can we talk about that? That's so pretty. Okay, I'm just rambling now at this point. Leave a like and a comment down below what you guys would like to see so that I can know for future videos. Oh yeah, please subscribe. Sorry that was loud. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.
기억나?